Real fast. Keep reeling it. Okay, son. Good one, girls. Hey, Hillary's got a good one. All right. That's a nice one. Oh, yeah.
Got one.
You got one? Oh, yeah, there we go, son. Holy moly, got two of them.
He is the current record holder with 9 BASS Angler of the Year awards, has 19 BASS tournament wins, and qualified for the Bassmasters Classic 25 times.
Today's destination is Clewiston, Florida, Lake Okeechobee, with my son Scott here at the Roland Martin Marina.
That's
hey,
right.
Good deal. And my two granddaughters, Hillary and Amelia. Amelia is 7 years old. Hillary is 9 years old. Hillary's in the 4th grade, and Amelia's in the 2nd grade. We're gonna catch some fish today. We're gonna catch a big fish. How big a fish?
This big.
Oh,
no,
that's good.
That big.
That big. Wow. I want to fish with you. That's right. That's a good deal. Wouldn't it?
You guys are going to have a lot of fun, and I'm going to let the girls go with you. You spend a great day on the water today. Spend some great time, and I'll bring the boys out this afternoon, maybe and trade out with the two boys, Jacob and Reed, and you girls are going to have a lot of fun with Grandpa catching maybe some big fish on shiners. What do you think? Hey, I tell you what, Dad, look at this sign right there behind us.
That's a good sign.
What do you
I
think,
like
girls?
this sign. Look at this sign.
They made this sign.
You made the girls
Yeah.
made the sign?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look
And
at
we
this, a
painted it.
gator hole, hog pen. Look at all these things. Monkey box. Hey, but you know where I was thinking about?
Where?
That spot you were telling me about on the east wall.
Look at that, right there, east wall. We've got
2
another
miles.
sign.
It's 2 miles that way.
That's pretty close. What do you think, girls?
Let's go. Did you want to get some snacks first?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
All right.
You know what you want?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get it. What you
I
want,
want
girl?
the Kit Kat.
Oh, you want a Kit Kat? What you want?
Snickers.
Hey, we're ready to go. Don't go away, folks, because the bass are biting. Lake Okeechobee is alive and well.
Bass Pro Shops presents Fishing with Roland Martin. Brought to you by Tracker Boats, fish the finest. Gary Yamamoto Custom Baits, designed by fishermen for fishermen. And by Bass Pro Shops, your adventure starts here. Closed caption provided by Spro Lures. Bass Pro Shops is a proud sponsor of Fishing with Roland Martin.
Grandpa, is there a lot of bass here?
Your daddy and I caught like 50 one time, right here for a big tournament. Ooh, that might be something pretty good there. Real hard, real hard. You got one. Oh, you got him. I see him. He's jumping back in there.
Got one?
Oh, look at him jump.
Wow, that's a big one.
Yeah. Look at that. Nice one. Keep just pulling him out.
No.
Did he get off? Did he get off? Keep reeling. Okay, there you go. Real hard. You keep reeling. Keep reeling. You got one. Hillary's got one. Nice big Lake Okeechobee bass. Hillary, you've caught some big fish in your day, haven't you?
No, boys,
That's
girls.
good. Oh, look at
my
wait a minute.
gosh,
Look
that
at
is
this.
not a bass.
You know, it's not a bass, though, is it? It's the wrong kind of fish.
It's like a catfish.
It's a catfish. Some people eat catfish. Catfish are good to eat. Okay, here we go. Watch out. I'm gonna... Oop, doink. Nice catfish. Where'd you go? Heck of a deal.
Nice shoes.
Well, so the other one that was bit out there was a bass, because it jumped out of the water. I got one on. Got one on here. Here, reel him in. Real hard. Keep reeling. Reel, fast as you can. Keep reeling fast. Just keep reeling fast. Keep reeling fast. That's it. Keep reeling. Gotta keep reeling. If he gets in the grass, he'll get off.
Oh, it's maybe just a rod.
Another catfish. Holy moly, look at that catfish.
On it.
Look at that. Big old giant catfish. Look at those things. It's unbelievable. Okay. Heck of a deal. Big old catfish. Can you believe that? 2 catfish. Whose turn? Whose turn? Somebody's gonna get one. So reel it fast, real fast, real fast. Keep reeling it. Keep reeling it. Keep reeling it.
Uh-oh. Oh, gosh, darn it.
Okay, okay. Okay, there we go. Ooh, a good one.
There.
I'm telling you what, these girls are having a ball. Hey, what do you think? You having fun? It's good.
I'm getting with the
Huh? That's 2 bass.
Now I get to catch the next.
Okay, that's 2 bass. Ooh, yeah.
I can even catch one more.
That's really good. We had that strike over here, and then we put the same shiner on.
Oh, Millie, get ready. Come on, come on, come on.
Okay, Amelia, here you go. Here you go. Get it.
Come on, I think
Real
that's a
hard, real
catfish.
hard,
No,
real hard,
that's a
real hard, real hard,
catfish.
real hard, real.
That's a catfish. No.
fast.
Wait, maybe. Yes. Sorry. Yeah, a little bit.
Fast.
Okay, then I'll put it back into you. Only if it's not a catfish.
Oh yeah, look at that big one.
Jeez.
Woo, son.
That.
Yeah, yeah. Keep reeling. Oh, look at this big guy. Hey, this is a big fish. Huh? That's a big fish, gal.
Amelia,
Hey, what do you think?
are you scared? Can I
Huh?
hook that? Can I try it?
Look
No,
at
I
this
don't
one,
wanna hold
Amelia.
it.
Hey, look at this.
Are you
now.
gonna throw it back?
Look how fat that one is. Huh? Is that your biggest bass,
Please be
Amelia?
careful
Is that the biggest one you've ever caught?
Oh, no.
No. No. She
No.
said no. That means that's just not no. That's absolute no.
Line it with her leg. Line it up on her leg. Line it
Woo,
up with my
that's
leg.
pretty.
Line it
Who's
up
gonna
with
let it
my
go?
leg.
You gonna let it go?
I can let it go. No,
Okay, let it go. Amelia, you wanna let it go? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I scraped it.
That's good.
Your turn again. Nice job.
Okay, we've caught, what have we caught? We've caught 2
I can get the
catfish
shiner.
and
I'm
2
getting the
bass.
shiner this time. Bass thumb. It hurts.
This segment is brought to you by Duracell Marine and RV Batteries. Start stronger, troll longer. Duracell, a name you can trust. Nitro Boats presents this segment of Fishing with Roland Martin.
Jake and Marie are in that boat probably.
Oh, get him, get him, get him. Oh, Hillary's got one.
Jacob,
Hillary's got one. What you got, son? What you got, gal? What we got? You gonna try to get it for him? You gonna try to get it?
Oh, my!
Look at that.
That's huge.
Can you get it? Can you get it? Can you get it? Okay, there we go. We got it, son. All right. What do you think, gals?
I'm not touching it.
You're not touching it?
My thumbs hurt.
Hey, that's a nice bass.
I touch it.
That's a nice bass. Hey, they're fun to catch, though, aren't they? Yeah, they jumped around a lot. That was good.
They got spikes on the top of them.
Yeah, okay. You gonna let them go?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Super deal.
Hey, Reed. Hey, Jacob. Hey, Reed. You didn't see my thumbs.
Who caught
Hey,
the
Jacob.
big fish
Hey,
so far, girls?
Hey, Reed. Hey, Jacob. Huh?
Who caught the big fish?
Amelia.
Yeah, she caught one about
This guy.
that big.
She's always catching the big
Was it that
fish
big
at the
or was
end
it
of the
that big?
day. Always.
It was either that big or that big. I don't know.
Look.
Well, we've caught 3 bass and 2 catfish.
Good deal. Well, we'll let y'all keep fishing and catch a few more, and then we'll swap out.
Come here.
Hey, okay. Well, now that's the other part of the show. This afternoon, you girls, I don't know, you've had a good time fishing. We didn't catch any real big ones, but we caught some.
Can I catch the last bass?
You can catch the next bass. Maybe we'll try to have her catch the next bass.
All right.
And then we'll switch out because on the left we have Jacob. He's 16, almost 16. You're almost 16. And we have Reed on the right. He's 14, almost 15. So 2 They love to hunt and they love to fish. And these guys, hey, these are guys who are tournament fishermen. I'm proud to say my grandkids are all fishermen. They are two hotshot fishermen. They'll probably catch more fish than I do today. Okay, whose turn? Whose turn?
Mine.
Oh,
It's my turn.
Oh, you got one. Hey, all right. Okay. Some little ones here. But you know there's some big ones out here too. Okay, now you've caught 3 and Hillary's caught 2. Well, we're about the same because Hillary caught those catfish. You caught those big catfish, didn't you? Oh, they were nice big catfish. Wow. You want to let it go? Now this time, don't throw it up in the air because we're trying to be real careful with them. You can let it go right here in the water, kind of nice and easy. That's it. There we go. Now we're talking. Get them. Oh. Somebody's got one. Hey, Hillary's got a good one. All right. Keep reeling. Here. There we go. What do you think, Al? Huh? That's a nice one. Okay, show them how to release it nice and easy now. That's it. There we go. That's a good way to do it. Releasing it just right. These girls they're learning. Okay, whose turn?
I'll get.
Whose turn? Is it
Please.
yours? Huh? Wait a minute. He's in the bushes. Okay, here, really hard. Really hard. Keep reeling.
She reeled that.
Ooh, what you got, gal? That's nice one. Look at this guy. Okay, son. Good one, girls. You know,
Nice.
you've both caught a lot of nice bass today. Caught a couple nice catfish. Okay, let's let it go,
Can I
okay?
release it? Look at the bottom. Yeah. Can I release it?
You want to do it? Okay. Go ahead. Put it in the water.
That's gonna handle it. There we go.
Hey, girls, I tell you what, we had a good time today. You both caught about as many fish and all about the same size, really. You had a good time?
Yeah.
Hey, I had a good time. Thank you. Let's go fishing again, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I love it.
Thank you for letting
Hey,
us
here,
go fishing.
I'm going to fish now with Jacob and Reed, my 2 grandsons.
They brought their own stuff.
Reed, how you doing, son?
So, Grandpa,
Man, I tell you what,
Hello.
he's 14, he's a big kid. And here's my 15-year-old grandson, Jacob. How you doing? Hey, you guys are, we're gonna catch them. I mean, these guys are top-notch fishermen, let me tell you. For 10 years, Scott and I have taken them fishing so many times, and they beat us so many times. How about that time in New York?
Yeah, that was
You
fun.
took Scott and I and 3 or 4 of the other guys, and you were the winner. Remember that?
Yeah, that
We
was
won
fun.
$100 on
Yeah.
it. Okay, let's get after them. Okay, we're ready to go.
All right, Dad, we'll see you later. Tell them bye.
Okay.
Bye, Hillary. Bye, Amelia.
Birds are diving, aren't they? What do you got?
They're really bad.
Oh, what you got, son? Oh, man, what you got? What you got? Whoa, nice one. You got him in there. Hey, folks, now, this boy's tournament quality fish. I mean, he jacks him in the boat. He ain't fooling around with him now. What you got, a big long worm on there, huh?
10-inch.
Big 10-inch worm. Well, we saw some birds diving. There's some seagulls working in here. Water's kind of clear, a little bit overcast. Some real nice fish biting. I just had one hit a spinnerbait, but it might be that there's a school of fish here.
Maybe. Hopefully.
Nice little bunch of clear water coming out right here, flowing out this channel
Really?
from the marsh. What you got, Reed? Oh, yeah, yes, sir. Huh? Big one? Oh, yeah, there we go, son. Oh, he gets them in. I'm telling you. He gets them right now, son. I'm gonna drop this fire pole down.